Hey everybody, Cousin Jim. Just got an Amazon box in. We are moving ahead with the channel. Let's see what we've got inside this box. Oh yeah, look inside here. A fishing arrow. It is a Cajun Piranha fishing arrow. It's got a little plastic tip here that doesn't really protect the end of that, so we're going to forget about that. You tie your line onto here. Fishing arrows have no fletches, they just fly straight. So it's got little swivels here, and then this head piece will unscrew, and I don't know how that comes out. I guess you can just change the tip on the arrow. So this is a all fiberglass arrow. It's Cajun long barb XT. So it's got tough barbs, quick fish removal, and durable construction. Red shaft, improved arrow design made with red fiberglass. It's made by Bear Archery in Gainesville, Florida. All right, shout out to Bear Archery. We're getting going. Let's see where this journey takes us.